All right.
So this drink is called the Cotton-Headed Ninny Muggins. So it's a little bit of bourbon, a little bit of monkey shoulder scotch. Again, we're gonna hit it with that Rumpelmans.
Okay.
Just a little bit. And then the Grand Marnier.
Splash-tastic.
When's the last time you opened this thing?
It's been a minute.
There it is. Okay. Splash. We're gonna shake it like a what?
Make a cocktail for a hipster.
That's right. Oh, like you're playing those holiday songs.
I bet it's gonna make you feel like a cotton-headed Ninny Muggins.
Sure. All right, there we go.
It smells amazing.
It really does.
Yeah. All right, cheers.
Cheers. Christmas cheers.
Yeah, man.
That's really, really, really good.
Yeah. And I mean, it don't feel that boozy.
Nope.
Cotton-headed Ninny Muggins.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.